Assalamualaikum, and today we're going to present you how to use the oscilloscope. My name is Muhammad Zainul Bakhtiar, and this is my friend.
My name is Muhammad Muhammad.
And my name is Muhammad Fahmi Rizal.
And that's all.
Plug to switch, and the cable connect to oscilloscope, and switch on the plug, and the switch the on oscilloscope.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Zainul, and today we're going to show you how to calibrate the oscilloscope. First thing first, we must to put the probe to the channel 1. We push it and squeeze it and twist it to lock the probe. Then we're gonna put the other probe to the probe com and the alligator clip to the 5 volt below the probe. And then we're gonna push the auto set button to automatically calibrate the oscilloscope. Okay, after that we're gonna measure it and push the H1 button and push the S3 button to calibrate and to show all the calculation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fahmi. Today I would like to teach how to measure waveform. We have a cable. First of all, we should connect the probe on the oscilloscope on channel 1, and the probe should connect with function generator on channel 2, and then we should set a frequency. We should push a button channel 1 on the function generator, and then you can see on the display we set 1 kHz frequency and 2 Vpp, and then we push a button auto set, and we can see waveform on the display oscilloscope.